In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make someone an admin in Slack, granting them the privileges they need to help manage your workspace efficiently. Managing admin responsibilities can streamline communication and improve workflow. So let's walk through the steps to ensure you have a better grasp on how to enhance your team's productivity. To start, navigate to your Slack workspace and click on the workspace name located in the top left corner. When you click here, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings and Administration and then choose Manage Members. This area is where you'll find all members of your workspace. Once you're in the Manage Members section, locate the member you wish to promote. You might have to scroll through the list or use the search feature to find them, especially if your team is large. When you find their name, look to the right to spot the More Actions menu, which is denoted by 3 dots. Clicking this will provide you with more options. Within this menu, select Change Account Type and then choose Workspace Admin. By doing this, you're giving this member admin rights across all channels, assuming your workspace's permission settings allow it. It's a good idea to review those permission settings first to confirm the extent of access you're granting. Now, let's discuss another role that might be beneficial for your team: channel managers. Open up the specific channel in Slack that you wish